is the ultimate travel guide from the people who know it best. Weekends with Yankee.
I'm here in beautiful Rockport, Maine, and I'm going to be meeting someone I've been wanting to meet for a while. It's Chef Jordan Benissan. Now, Jordan is from Togo in West Africa, and he's a professional musician. He's a percussionist. But living here, teaching percussion at Colby College, he started to miss the flavors of home, and he began cooking food from home, and people loved it. And now he has a restaurant called Lon Togo, means I love Togo. So I'm so excited to taste his food, hear his music, and just talk about his really interesting life. Hi, Chef Jordan.
Yes, Amy.
Hi, it's so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I've been hearing about your food, and I'm so interested in hearing about your work because you're both a musician and a chef.
Yes. So when I realized that I really miss home cooking, food my mom prepared,
Right.
I thought it would be a good idea just, to go back and start making stuff my mom used to make for us. So I start inviting my colleagues and students to my house for dinner parties. Everybody start asking me, when are you going to open a restaurant? Because nobody's making food like that around here.
So what do you like about living here?
I think first the natural beauty of Maine, it reminds me of home.
Oh.
And also, I like to take drive, checking out different antique stores.
You live in an antique house, you said.
Yes, yeah.
Well, do we have all the ingredients you need for cooking?
We're gonna go to my favorite butcher shop to get some chicken.
All right, let's go get some chicken.
That's it. Hey, Sarah.
Hi, guys.
Hey, Sarah, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
So I understand we're getting some chicken
And some beef, yeah.
That's good.
So tell me a little bit about this place. How long have you had this beautiful market?
We've been in business about 10 years now, and we started as a very small whole animal butcher shop.
Okay.
But our mission is to promote sustainable agriculture in Maine.
Right.
And that's why we have the meat case.
So yeah, tell me, where are you sourcing all this really beautiful meat from?
All the meats in this case are from small family farms. Sides of beef, whole pigs, whole lambs, and our butchers take care of the rest. Here you go.
Look at that.
It's going to be fabulous.
Oh, yes.
Thank you so much, Sarah.
Guys.
Congratulations. This is really a magical place.
You're welcome.
Okay, take care.
Happy cooking.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sarah.
Oh, this is so lovely.
Yes.
First of all, I'm seeing a lot of evidence of your love of antiques in this room. So it feels like home.
It is. The restaurant was born out of the dinner party. My guests, when they come, I want them to feel at home.
That's so great. There's so much beautiful art on the wall. I'm noticing that mask right there.
Yes, it is used during religious ceremony.
Oh, wow. All right, well, how about we go in the kitchen and start cooking?
Excellent.
Okay. So we're making a chicken with peanut sauce, right?
Yeah, West African chicken and peanut sauce.
Okay.
So if you want, you can start breaking the garlic apart.
Okay.
And I will cut the onion and start chopping it.
Tell me about the food of Togo. Like, are there really distinct regional differences as you move around the country?
Yes, people in the South, they cook differently, having contact with the outside world also, since they are on the coast because...
Oh, right, yes. That's a good amount of ginger in there. You don't peel it, which saves a lot of time.
And also, there are some good nutrients and in the skin also.
Right. I'm gonna start not peeling my ginger.
That's it.
Especially in a stew where the texture has time to soften, right?
Yeah.
All right, I'm almost done here.
Right.
I don't know how finely you need it. If it
that's good.
That's good? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, great.
Now we're gonna add the anise seeds.
Just whole, you don't need to crush them?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's 1 tablespoon.
Okay. Kind of a generous heaping tablespoon.
Yeah. Salt. And now we're gonna add the chicken to it.
so these are bone-in chicken thighs.
Bone-in
Okay,
chicken
yeah, with the
thighs.
skin on them.
That's it.
That a lot of flavor. Okay.
Yes.
Ooh.
And now we're gonna go to the stove.
It already smells incredible.
That's it.
So what's next?
I'm gonna let it go for like 15 minutes.
Okay.
Then I will come back and stir it again.
Right.
Make sure that, you know, the salt is getting evenly spread.
And about how long will we be cooking the chicken in this way?
30 to 40 minutes. Yeah.
Okay. So now do we chop the tomatoes?
Yes.
Okay. And is it just one tomato?
Yes. To leave the skin on, yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
So much easier. I like this. I like this approach.
Yes.
Now tell me about any memories you have of this dish.
Growing up, peanut was one of my, favorite snack.
Are the peanuts in Togo and West Africa very different from the ones we have here?
When it comes to the roasting time, so it is done in a clay pot with a sand.
And then it's set over heat?
Yeah, over fire. When the sand gets hot,
right,
then that's when you put the peanut in.
Oh my gosh.
Then you keep, stirring it with the sand.
Oh, so is that like the best roasted peanut you'll ever have?
It is, yeah.
That sounds incredible.
Yeah.
All right, so the tomatoes are ready and the tomato paste, but this needs to cook a little bit longer?
Yeah, let's reduce the heat.
Okay. Well, it already smells incredible in here. I can only imagine when everything's together how good it's going to smell.
That's it.
Okay, so it's ready. This is, by the way, the most beautiful Dutch oven I've ever seen. So how did you finish it off now? Let's take a look there. Woo!
After the chicken was done cooking,
with the ginger and the garlic and everything.
Yeah,
okay.
I removed the chicken, set it aside.
Okay.
And put the chicken broth and the spices.
Okay.
In the pot.
Okay. So the cayenne pepper.
Fresh tomatoes.
Right.
And
tomato paste. Okay.
Yes. Then I add the peanut.
Peanut butter?
Yes.
Okay.
And about 2 cups of water. Then brought it to boil.
Okay.
Then I add the chicken as the last step.
Okay.
And let it simmer just for a few minutes.
Okay. So now flavors have had a lot of time to combine.
Yes.
I'm so excited to taste. That's an easy job today.
That's it.
Wow. That is so good. It's like so savory. It's one of the most savory things I've ever eaten. And the nuttiness of the peanuts and then the acidity of the tomatoes, it's just perfect. This is already a favorite family recipe. I know they're all gonna love it.
Oh, wow, that's it.
Thank you so much for bringing this cooking to Maine and for sharing your talents in the kitchen and also your musical talents. This is really a wonderful day.
That's it.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, Amy.